huge bitch!
I just heard somebody.
I won't hesitate, bitch!
Can you hit me my crush? Can you hit me my crush? Was that a sniff? I was afraid I was.
What's up, everybody? Mackenzie, your Squidward bite is equivalent to like.
I'll just take a little. Other one. Gosh, Cameron. Ow.